Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to quickly connect N8N to Ollama. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to connect N8N to Ollama, then this guide is for you. So here we are on the dashboard of N8N. First, click on Add for the first step, and in the search bar, type Ollama. You'll see the chat model option. Select it. Now, click on Select Credentials, and then you'll need to create new credentials. For this, you'll see a field for the base URL. Then go and click on Open Docs, and it will redirect you to a window that explains how to install and run Ollama on your computer. Once you have Ollama running locally, you'll see that the base URL is usually set to 11434. Make sure you copy this base URL exactly as shown. After pasting the base URL, save the credentials, and you'll see that they are created successfully. This means Ollama is now connected to N8N. And that's it. You've integrated Ollama with N8N in just a few minutes. So that's basically how you can quickly connect N8N to Ollama. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.